The IDGPUW Replacement Remote brings quick, easy control back to your device with smooth and responsive performance. It's a reliable plug-and-play solution, perfect as a replacement or backup for hassle-free entertainment.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the IDGPUW Replacement Remote, AAA batteries,
And user manual. Specifications. Smart features.
lets you search and control your TV using spoken commands, making navigation faster and hands-free. Works with supported smart TVs that recognize built-in voice input from the remote. No complicated programming required, just insert batteries and pair with your TV for instant use. Ideal for quick replacement without technical hassles. Illuminated keys make it easy to see and use the remote in dim or dark rooms. Improves usability for late-night TV watching without turning on lights. Can control several compatible TVs or streaming devices with one remote, reducing clutter. Great for homes with multiple screens or entertainment units. How to use. This remote is packed with user-friendly features designed to simplify your TV viewing experience. The power button turns your TV or connected device on or off, while the voice search button allows you to search for shows, movies, or apps using voice commands, making it hands-free and easy to control your TV. The navigation ring and select lets you easily move through menus and make selections, while the back button takes you to the previous screen. If you ever need to return to your home screen, the home button will take you there instantly. For easy access to settings, the menu button opens up the on-screen menu, and the rewind and fast-forward buttons let you skip backward or forward in content. The play/pause button helps you control playback, and the volume plus/minus buttons allow you to adjust the sound to your preference. You can also change channels using the channel, up-down buttons, and open the live TV guide to see what's on. The mute button is handy when you want to silence the audio, and the settings button lets you access various options and preferences. With the input source button, you can switch between HDMI inputs or other available sources. For added convenience, the remote has dedicated app shortcut buttons for one-touch access to streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and Hulu, making it faster than ever to enjoy your favorite content.
Safety precautions.
Want to grab the IDGPUW Replacement Remote from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your IDGPUW Replacement Remote. See you at the next one.